Let's be honest, if you're still manually typing company information into ERPNext from Google searches, you're wasting hours of your team's time every single week. It's clear that most ERPNext users don't even realize there's a way to automate this completely with AI. So here's my question to you. What if you could populate an entire customer record, industry, business type, description, everything, in 14 seconds instead of 10 minutes of copy-pasting? Because I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, and it's completely free and open source. Okay, watch this complete workflow. I'll explain everything in just a minute, but I want you to see what we're building first. So right here I have a completely blank customer record in ERPNext. The only thing I've entered is the company name, Coca-Cola, and their website, coca-cola.com. Watch what happens when I click this Enrich from website button. AI is crawling their website, extracting company data with an LLM, mapping fields to ERPNext, and done. Look at that. Customer name, the Coca-Cola Company. Industry, food, beverage and tobacco. Perfect match. Description, full company overview. Beautifully written. 14 seconds. For fields of accurate company data pulled directly from their website and formatted perfectly for ERPNext. No copy-pasting. And here's the crazy part, this works for any company website. Let me show you with a supplier this time. Same thing, just the name Anthropic and their website. Click Enrich. Boom. Supplier name. Country, United States. Full company description about their AI safety work. All pulled automatically. Now let me show you how this actually works under the hood, and yes, you can absolutely set this up yourself. So why am I so excited about this? Let me paint you a picture. You're a sales team using ERPNext. You get 20 new leads this week. That's 20 companies you need to research. You're opening LinkedIn, checking their websites, copy-pasting into ERPNext fields, trying to figure out their industry, their market segment. Your options are, do it manually, 10 minutes per company equals 200 minutes equals over 3 hours. Or leave the data incomplete, now your reports are garbage. Or, use AI to do it in 14 seconds per company which equals 5 minutes total. That's a 97% time savings. Think about what your team could do with those 3 hours back every single week. And it's not just about speed. Manual data entry means typos, inconsistent formatting, missing information. The AI? It's pulling from the actual source, the company's website, and formatting it exactly how ERPNext expects it. Plus, and this is huge, you can rerun the enrichment at any time. Company updates their website? Click the button again. Boom. Fresh data. This is the kind of automation that makes ERPNext actually feel like a modern platform instead of just a glorified spreadsheet. Alright, so how does this actually work? Because this isn't just some API call to a third-party service. This is your infrastructure. Open source. Free. Running on your own ERPNext instance. There are 2 stages here and they're both brilliant. Stage 1 is Crawl4AI. This is an open source web scraper that does something really smart. Instead of just downloading the raw HTML like most scrapers, it runs an actual browser, headless Chrome, renders the entire page including JavaScript, and then pulls out clean Markdown. Why Markdown? Because it's the perfect format for AI to understand. All the headings, the structure, the content, it's organized beautifully. The LLM can easily pick out, okay, this is the company description, this is the industry they're in, here's their tax ID. But here's the key, Crawl4AI itself does zero data extraction. It's just the courier. It fetches the HTML and hands it off. Stage 2 is where the real magic happens. We send that markdown to an LLM, could be OpenAI, could be Claude, whatever you have configured in the AI Assistant app, and we give it a very specific prompt. We tell it, extract these exact fields. For industry, choose one from this list of valid ERPNext values. For customer group, choose from this list. Don't make anything up. Use only what you find on the website. And the LLM goes through the markdown and says, okay, I see the company name here, the industry mentioned here, their description is in this section, and returns us perfect JSON. Now let's talk about some of the more advanced stuff because this app isn't just a toy, it's production ready with features you'd expect from commercial software. First, full audit trail. Every enrichment creates a crawl job record. You can see exactly what URL was crawled, what data was extracted, how long it took, which fields were updated, success or failure status. Full transparency. And if something goes wrong, maybe the website was down or the AI couldn't find certain fields, you get a detailed error message in the crawl job and it's logged to ERPNext's error log. Perfect for debugging. Second, the URL patterns are super flexible. Third, and this one's important, it handles partial data gracefully. Maybe a company's website doesn't have their tax ID visible. Or they don't mention their industry clearly. So to recap, we've got AI-powered master data enrichment for ERPNext. 14 seconds to enrich a complete customer record. 5 minutes to set up. 0 custom fields. Production-ready tests. You can stop wasting hours on manual data entry and start letting AI do the grunt work while your team focuses on actually talking to customers. Hit that like button if this was helpful, drop a comment with what you'd like to see enriched next, and I will see you in the next video.